Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently 9:25 and my plan for today is to head off to the library at my uni to do some work. I'm going to be using the Pomodoro method and show you how I like to use it, including what kind of things I do in my break. Then I'll be going to the gym and I've got my clothes in this carrier bag because why spend £20 in a bag when you can buy one for 5p? After that I'm going to come home, eat and do some more work, but we'll see how it goes. I got the Focus Keeper app up and set it to 25 minutes of focus work. I was going over a topic from one of the older years notes and I pretty much always use a whiteboard whenever I'm revising. I'll probably make a video soon on how exactly I study and why I don't like making notes personally. From a 5-minute break, I went to the bathroom and then I came back and repeated the entire thing 3 times before heading to the gym. I've just come back from the gym. Today was upper body day, but I had no one to film me and it would have been a bit awkward if I brought this tripod with me, so I just allowed it. I'm gonna quickly go shower now whilst my eggs are boiling and then go eat something. Well, eat the eggs I'm boiling and then sleep. Jokes. What is my life? This is what I'm having for lunch. If you know me, then you know about my obsession with eggs. I usually have like 4 a day, but I'm kind of going broke, so I can only afford like 3 right now. It is currently 3:06 and whilst my eggs are chilling in my stomach for the next 4 to 5 hours, I'm going to head to the study room and do some more work. Friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. I decided I was going to have chicken tonight, so for my break I got a chicken breast out the freezer and left it to defrost in my room before getting back to work. Little update guys, it's been roughly 5 hours, so I think my eggs have made it into my ileum, which means my stomach is currently empty and I'm hungry, so I'm going to make some food now. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. I did around 20 minutes of work whilst my food was cooking in the oven. That last study session was the hardest. It was like 9-10 p.m. and I was so done. I just wanted to sleep. But I managed to push through. I did another hour of work. So I think in total I did around 5 hours, which is quite productive, I guess. I mean, I went to the gym, I cooked as well. So it was a productive day. Thank you guys for watching this boring vlog. It was my first one, so hopefully they'll get better over time. But I'll be back soon, hopefully, whenever I decide to post again with another video. But anyway, peace.